In this video, I am going to describe about what is share and what are the methods of issue of share and conditions of issue of share and the process of issue of share and what are the different types of share capital. So share means what? When the total capital of a company divided into equal parts with having small denomination values is called, each small unit or equal part is called as share. As see, suppose a company Reliance Limited, suppose its capital was 1 lakh. Due to financial needs, when more finance was required for the business, but the owner was unable to invest more, at that time the owner has done what? Decided to divide the 1 lakh capital into small units. How many units? 10,000 units. So when it divided into 10,000 units, each unit value is 10 rupees. That 10 rupees is called the face value or nominal value. Face value or nominal value. So here total number of share is 1000 and 10,000 and face value is 10. Face value is 10. And if it will issue to the public for subscription, how many shares the company going to issue? 1 lakh, 10,000 shares. 1 lakh capital, 10,000 shares. Each share face value is how much? 10 rupees. So next comes to what are the methods of issue of shares. There are generally 3 methods. One is private placement. Private placement means when a company, without inviting prospectus to the public, issue shares, its relatives, friends, mutual fund companies, LICs, is known as private placement. Here company is not inviting the public for subscription. Here company is privately issuing share to its relatives, friends, mutual fund companies or LICs, unit trust of India's. So in such case, no accounting treatment will be required here. Second method is issue of share for public subscription. Here the company will invite prospectus to the public for subscription. Third is issue of share for consideration other than cash. Suppose sometimes the company issue shares to its promoters or to its vendors. Vendors means when purchase any asset on credit instead of payment of cash, if it issues share to the vendor, is known as consideration other than cash. So again I am saying consideration other than cash means issue of share to the promoters or vendors instead of cash payment is known as what? Consideration other than cash. Next comes to conditions of issue of share. Condition of issue of share means what? Now the director of the company will decide to issue the share. Condition, issue at par. Par means no profit, no loss. Its face value is 10 rupees. Now the director decided to issue it to the public with the same price of rupees 10. So face value was 10, issue price also 10. Face value 10, issue price also 10. Here it is the par. It is the condition of par. Issue at par means when the issue price is equal with the face value. Second condition is issue at premium. Issue at premium means when the issue price is more than the face value. Suppose the director of the company decided to issue it at 11. So face value was 10, issue price is 11. So 1 rupees is the premium. 1 rupees is the premium. Here share is issued at a premium. So when you will say share issued at premium, when the issue price is more than its face value. Its face value is called as issue at premium. So here are 2 conditions. There was third condition, issue at discount, but after Companies Act 2013, rules 2014, no public company can issue share at a discount. So here we will study 2 conditions and we will do accounting treatment for 2 methods. Issue for public subscription and issue for share consideration other than cash. No private placement, accounting entries for private placement.